The upcoming Joe Freshgoods x New Balance 2010 collab is creating major buzz after a rocky start. Early leaks of the sneaker drew heavy criticism online, but as official images surfaced, opinions flipped. Many now call it one of JFG's best works yet. Two colorways, hand-me-downs and bag lady, highlight the design's standout carpet-like texture that gives the shoe a cozy, vintage vibe. The tan version has already shown up at select overseas retailers, hinting that the black pair might be a Joe Freshgoods exclusive. While New Balance hasn't confirmed an official drop date, German retailer BSTN lists the pair for November 14 at $220, a price bump from the regular 2010 model. This release reminds sneaker fans that early leaks can be misleading, and sometimes, patience pays off when it comes to appreciating creative collaborations between New Balance and Joe Freshgoods.